Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. You like my okra plant? This one plant can generate up to 170 okra. We estimate that with these 5 planters right here, we should be able to do between, I don't know, 400 to 700 okra off of these 5 planters. So what I'm going to do today, guys, these are torpedo pots. See how big this is? These are self-growing planters. Guess what they do? This is 7 feet tall. These torpedo pots, they grow your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. I put these in as seeds. And look at what mass that they have. They've grown tremendously, doesn't it? It's amazing, isn't it? It's amazing, it really is. And so I'm gonna go right now and I'm gonna harvest to get me some okra so I can eat. So let's do it together. They're pretty big, guys. These are really good okra. I normally don't let them grow real big, but man, look at these. Aren't they beautiful? They are absolutely stunning. I love them. I love my plants. I love my okra. See if I can get them in a place where you can actually see them. It's probably better to do it this way. These okra are probably one of the most healthiest things that I'm going to have today because it's grown from my garden. It's grown naturally. It's grown organically. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. Rather you grow okra or you're growing kale, they grow your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. With torpedo pot, all you do is put your seeds in a planter and your plants in a planter, and you'll guarantee beautiful food like you've never seen before. And they're absolutely stunning in every way. I have no blemishes on this at all. This is really good, delicious, wholesome food. It's highly nutritious. We eat it and enjoy eating it all the time. So this is my harvest. I guess we haven't had a harvest in about 3 days now. And just that one planter, I've been able to pick these up so far. So let's count them, see how many they are. It's interesting. Line them up and count them and see how many they really are. Whew, if I can hold on to them long enough. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9, I think total of 9. So 9, just one harvest. If I get 9 for 5 planters, I'll be extremely happy. But I don't think so. I think this is the most producing. The others were produced. They seem to be coming up because my wife picked those earlier, so I don't think I'm going to have 9 on those. But I certainly am going to give it a try. Let me try it, guys. One, 2, ooh, look at that. 3, 4, 5, We got 6 off of these also. 6 more. So 9 and 6 is 15. It's just one harvest, okay? We haven't harvested in about 2 days. Wow, it's amazing. I got 7 off that one. So 9, 7, 15, and 7 more. Gets us 22. 22 in this harvest. Oh, let me show you a little more. I'm sorry. So 22. Looks great. So today we'll harvested 22 so far. Let's continue on. $22 plus 5, 27. Looks like we got to about 31 for this harvest. 4 more. Let's take a look at it overall. This is what we're looking at. One harvest in 2 days, 31 pieces of okra. We expect to do, like we said, probably around 400 okra from these planters to 700 okra. And what's so interesting, what I love more than anything else is that, have you ever seen anything so beautiful? Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing flower pots. All you do is take your seeds and your plants and put them in the planter and it grows your fruit for you. You don't have to do anything at all. The okra plants you see behind me, those are, they're 7-foot tall plants and they're continuing to grow. I expect them to reach about 8 to 9 feet, depending upon what type of weather we're getting. And we'll grow between 400 and from what I'm seeing here to 700 okra. And they all are perfect. There are no blemishes on this okra. You don't see them getting woody and hard. These are all natural and they're edible. And all you have to do is just bite into them and enjoy them. And they're so tasty and delicious. What's so good about it is that all the seeds that are inside this okra can be used for next season. One okra can grow the same 170 okra in 20 inches. Now, I want you to understand what's going on here. We bought okra seeds for pennies on a dollar. We dropped into that planter behind us. And now we get to sell okra, or to eat okra, and to be healthy for the rest of our lives. Can't beat it. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye-bye.